Beast!
Blue heart.
W Mr. Beast in the chat real quick. Okay, let me put my headphones down. Alright, chat, I'm not even gonna lie. I had to explain to him what's going on, okay? Yeah. So, I'm gonna do it from beginning to end.
Okay.
Alright?
Give me the firework lore?
Yes. The whole lore, okay? First things first, right? I'm literally last year we had a great time until Davis. You know Davis. Mm-hmm. He walked into everybody's room. He walked into my room and he literally exploded it. Like,
yeah.
I
saw it all over Twitter.
Okay, so you know some of the lore. You know some of the lore.
Literally, if you open up TikTok, you see it every year.
Oh yeah. Every time it's come to that time of year, right? And I'm not gonna lie, this is for defense. Now, I'm worried that if somebody try me and send this to the AMP members, right?